Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and scroll on down and smash that subscribe button to join me on all my Minecraft adventures, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. Before I get into today's video, guys, I would just like to say, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button, because we are still very close to 200,000 subscribers. Once I hit 200,000 subscribers, I plan on doing something very special for you guys, so please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. And if you have already subscribed, then I thank you so very much for your support. But in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Loud House dimension, guys, and we're hopefully going to be meeting up with Lincoln Loud and all of his Loud sisters. So what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 orange wool, and you want to go ahead and place 2 of those on the ground just like that. Then you're going to need fur white wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of those on each side of your orange wool, guys. And then you just want to go ahead, after you have this built, grab your orange wool, jump up on that, and then place 1, 2, 3 orange wool, and then 1 white wool on top. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on down, and place 3 orange wool on this side, so 1, 2, 3, and then 2 orange wool in the middle, and then 1 white wool on the edge, and boom, you are finished, guys. It should look exactly like this after you build it. Make sure it looks exactly like this, because your next step is to grab your flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing, guys? Now it's time to go ahead and head into this loud dimension. Hopefully it's not too loud though, guys. Hopefully it's not too loud. But whoa, guys, that loaded up quick, and oh my god, right there's his house, and oh my god, they even added his garage. Wow, I cannot believe that, guys. I cannot believe that. But wow, his house is so much huger in person, although it kind of figures that they would need a huge house, especially considering he has sisters. A lot of sisters, guys, and everybody knows sisters need space. But whoa, this must be their little animal friend out back. I'm going to give their animal friend an animal friend, if you know what I mean. But let's go ahead. Let's head on inside and see what's going on, guys. Whoa, this must be their living room where they have family night and watch TV and whatnot. What's in here? Whoa, this must be their kitchen, guys, where they eat all their food. I'm going to go ahead and take a carrot, and I'm also going to go ahead and take a piece of the watermelon, because I really love watermelon. Oh my god, and this must be the bathroom. I need some privacy in here right now, guys. Let me shut that and shut that. And let me just go ahead and take a quick dip in their tub. And also, you know what else I like to do? Stick some watermelon in the tub. That way when they come in here, they're like, oh my god, what is that? And I also like to go ahead and open the toilet and close the toilet, guys. And the way I do it is I just jump on it. That's actually how I open up my real toilet in real life. And oh my god, did that villager just go in there, guys, to use it? Oh my god, he's going to blow that place up. He is going to blow that place up. But oh my god, is this Lincoln Loud? Oh my god, I'm a big fan of yours. I am a really, really big fan of yours. I actually went trick-or-treating as you last year. Believe that or not, I actually went trick-or-treating as you last year. I really love you, Lincoln Loud. And oh my god, now he's like floating. He might be a ghost. He might be like half boy, half ghost or something. But wow, I cannot believe I'm actually meeting up with Lincoln Loud. Although you don't seem that loud to me. You actually seem kind of quiet. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie. But wow, I cannot believe we're meeting up with him. You know what? I'm actually going to go ahead and blow up your house though, bro. With some TNT. Just so everybody can see what it looks like when it's blown up with TNT. Hopefully he does not die, because I would not want that on my conscience. And I also would not want that on my resume. So let's go ahead. Stack this TNT up, guys, and get ready to blow Lincoln Loud's house up. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully it does not kill him, because I would not want that on my conscience, guys. Or my resume. I'm serious about that resume, guys. But let's go ahead and light this TNT and jump away from the crime scene. Oh my god. Ooh. Ow. Ooh. Don't worry, Loud. I'll buff out those scratches a little later. I'll just buff those out. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition that I mentioned down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.